Hey, I'm Pat Iyer, and I am delighted to bring to you Dr. Kathleen Ashton, who is a legal nurse consultant, expert witness, and a staff nurse who takes care of patients in a step-down unit. Kathleen is going to be one of the speakers at our March 23, 24, 25, 2023 Legal Nurse Success online conference. Kathleen is a expert witness who got involved in a case that I was also involved in the infamous Charles Cullen, who is a registered nurse, not practicing anymore, serving 7 life sentences in a prison in New Jersey. Kathleen was involved in the case, as was I, and would like to share with you just a few tips about what we're going to cover in this session. So I'll start by welcoming Kathleen and asking you, Kathleen, what are some of the topics that you're going to cover in your session?
Well, thank you, Pat. Hello, everyone. Yes, I'm a legal nurse consultant, and I was asked to review one of the cases that Charles Cullen was involved in, and he was actually named in the affidavit of merit that I prepared. I was asked to look at the case and see if there was any involvement in his actions, any relationship to vital sign changes, anything like that. What I did was I reviewed the materials and I accomplished what I was asked to do, but then I also thought there were many things that were very interesting about this case. And those elements have ramifications and repercussions for nurses. So I'll be talking about what I did, what I accomplished, the lessons learned, the interesting things, and how that impacts nursing practice today. What the law was at the time that he was practicing and doing these deeds, as well as how the law has now changed in response to this case.
Thank you. I look forward to hearing what you have to say. Kathleen and I are co-presenting this session. I was hired by one of the prosecutors to look at the medical records from one specific facility where Charles worked as a new graduate and to match up the people who died with Charles' work schedule to see if we could determine which patients he killed. You'll find out how I went about that task, what my conclusions were, and an overview of how Charles was able to kill patients for 17 years without being detected. I know this is a session you won't want to miss. It's taking place at our March 23, 24, 25, 2023 LNC online conference. That's LNC Success. You can get registration information right below this video at the link lnc.tips/March 2023 virtual. This is a 3-day online event that you can attend from the comfort of your own home without all the travel expenses and exposure that's involved in going to a conference. Save your seat by getting the ticket now at lnc.tips/March 2023 virtual. And if you see this video after the conference, we will have replays available and you'll be able to find out in detail what happened with Charles Cullen and his murderous ways. Thanks. See you there.